There are though many laws of nature are there, but we'll be studying today in this course only 3 laws of nature. The king of laws of nature is action reaction. 1. Second, as you think, so you become. And third, law of adjustment. These 3 laws we will consider. Now let us consider first the first law. Action reaction. We know, because Newton told us, action reaction. When there is action, there is equal and opposite reaction. Yes, it's true, but then it's true when it is a gross action. Jivan Vidya has redefined it. Whenever the action is subtle, the reaction is multiplied and magnified. That is the real, we can say this an invention of Jivan Vidya mission. Simple example, when you throw a ball on a wall, single ball will come back. Simple, gross. But if you sow a seed of a mango, nature doesn't give you only single mango, isn't it? Thousands. So, ample. Nature has got very broad mind, It returns in multiples and magnified form. So this was noted by our philosopher. And that can be seen in many examples. I'll be telling about that later. But after all, what is action? What are the actions? Usually one feels the mechanical action is only action. No. Actions done by our action organs, 1. Secondly, actions done by our sense organs. And thirdly, thoughts themselves are action. We'll talk about that step by step. Now let us see a mechanical action. See, our action organs are what? 2 hands, 2 legs, isn't it? Even tongue. Rest 2 organs, sex organ is also there, forget about that. But these are the main action organs, isn't it? If you slap somebody, he will slap back. Simple example of action reaction, equal and opposite. But then, tongue has got 2 properties. It is sense organ as well as action organ. Out of that, action is speaking, talking. That is also an action, and it is subtler than mechanical action. So naturally, it will have magnified and multiplied effects. When I am talking to you, do you know it reaches to the other end of earth? My friend, if he is in California, I talk on mobile. If he catches my wavelength, the same frequency, my speaking will reach him immediately. That itself shows that everybody speaking over here, that sound is revolving around the earth. And 700 crore people speaking, that is all revolving. If you catch the same frequency, you will catch it. Such an widely spread effect of there is this subtle action. So naturally, its reaction also is multiplied and magnified. I will tell you 2 examples. And remember, action and reaction, the reaction depends on the type of action. And after all, whole world is nothing but living by reactions. If you see old epics like Rama and Mahabharata, what was that? Reactions. Very few people do only action. What is the difference between that? See, your reaction depends on other person or outside source. somebody talks bad about you, somebody insults you, then you get angry. That means your anger is controlled by other person. But when you start understanding the spirituality, you will have control. As you know, do you know there is a story of Buddha? When he went to, that time his philosophy was very radical. So there were much opposition. So in one city, people went around and started cursing him, giving them bad words. The disciples of that Buddha were very much annoyed, were becoming angry. But Buddha was calm and quiet. He told them, I am going to next town, but I will come back and again you can talk to me. When they proceeded to another town, his disciples said, Guruji, why you are not angry and why you are not reciprocating him back? Why you didn't react? They were talking any nonsense. Buddha said, suppose somebody gives me money, I don't accept. Where is the money? It remains with them. Same thing. They were talking bad words, I never accepted them. This control comes only in enlightened persons. So we are all living our life with reactions. Actions very few do. Action is done only when you go against the flow of the current. The live fish and dead fish, the difference is this. Dead fish goes along with the current, like we all common people. But the live fish will go against the current. Are you getting it? So action and reaction. Now, Mahatma Gandhi is a good example. He gave the slogan, Quit India. This action was against the current of flow, isn't it? Britishers were there. But then the reaction came from all the population of India, and it was a vast and magnified reaction which helped us to get the freedom, isn't it? Other example, Hitler was also there. He was very good orator, very impressive. But his action was bad. His action was hatred against Jews. What happened because of that? But its reaction was again multiplied and magnified. Remember, laws of nature, no discrimination. If the action is good, reaction is good. If the action is bad, reaction is bad. Simple. That also multiplied and magnified. It led to World War II and lot of destruction of humanity, isn't it? That happened. So remember, action, you have to be very careful before doing action. As you know, in Bhagavad Gita, there is a stanza, shlok. What is that? Karmanye vadhikarasya ma phaleshu kadachana. People think wrongly. They feel that you go on doing karma. Don't expect any return. No, that is not the meaning. Who will do this if there is no incentive? Will you all do whatever job you are doing if you are not going to get return? Everybody knows that at the end of the month they are going to get money. Then only you will work. The meaning of Karmanye vadhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana is that you should think before you do any karma. Because you know, once you do action, there will be reaction. It is inevitable. You can't go away from that. You don't have choice once you do action. So choosing action is very important. If you have got a bow and there is arrow, you attach sting to it. How much tension to be given to the sting? What type of arrow you are going to use? Which direction you are going to use? How much speed? Everything you have to decide beforehand. Once you shoot a arrow, then you don't have any control over it. That is the meaning of it. So remember, you do any action, should be extremely careful before you do action. That is the concept of that. Many times what happens? People do immediate reaction. You should never give reaction, but you should respond. Reaction after thinking. If you do immediate reaction without thinking, it is usually illogical. I will show you a small clipping that will clarify that how you react suddenly becomes illogical. Just watch that video. Interesting.